Ini saya tidak mau bangkitkan, tapi terpaksa saya bangkitkan Singapura. You like ridiculing the speaker dalam kau punya kenyataan akhbar, but I choose not to answer you. See, because I want to be professional. But I would like to remind you, last year you challenged me to resign my post because penambahbaikan parliament, in your opinion, is not been implemented. You buat kenyataan akhbar, saya tidak ada chance untuk jawab balik, karena kalau saya jawab balik, I look ridiculous. Okay. Satu penambahbaikan yang kita buat adalah ini. It's a result of the effort that some of us MPs yang trying our utmost best to do it. But you choose to ridicule me all the time. Saya ada baca satu buku yang ditulis oleh Selwyn Freud, Mr. Speaker, Sir. Kalau di England, kalau ada MP yang tidak hormat kepada Speaker,
Mr. Speaker, I'm not here for you to lecture me, okay?
Can
To
you
me,
sit
you are
down?
still a joker.
Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Can you sit down? If you can lecture me outside there, that the public read about it, you are enjoying it. When I'm lecturing you inside there in the chamber, which is my authority, you don't want to listen?
You don't point a hand at me.
You sit down.
No, I won't sit,
Sit down.
What can you do?
Sit down.
No, I won't.
Tolong. Ask him to go.
You are disgrace to Parliament.
Ask him to get out.
Disgrace.
You think you're not a disgrace?
You are elected. You are appointed.